Alright, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy He-Man, and in today's video, we're going to be tinting out the taillights on the Camaro, giving her a different look. We got some new badges here, as y'all can see. We got the black one elite badges we're going to be putting on the back. We got the smoked out side markers as well. And if y'all can see this box right here, we got the tinted taillights. So let me go ahead and unbox these real quick. Alright, so I went ahead and cut the box open. Let's go ahead and see what it's like. Jeez. Oh my god. Let's look at the bag real quick. Jeez. Well, these things are huge. I didn't realize my taillight was this big, but they're about to be all blacked out. Alright, y'all. So like I was saying before my camera just died, these taillights look so huge, bro. Like, just look at that, y'all. Feel me? Just look at that real quick. I can already see, bro. This is gonna be tough. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna start the process with these. It should be plug and play. I do have to plug something in my third brake light. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the installation, taking these off real quick. I'm gonna set the camera up so y'all can see that. So I'm gonna use this little flathead real quick and just take these little clips out right here. Alright, so I got the little clips out, as y'all can see they right here. Then I got this cover off. Let's go ahead and put this on the side. Alright y'all, so the socket that I'm gonna be using to take these little bolts out is gonna be an 8mm. So I can see right here, just a little 8mm. I'm just gonna be unscrewing the back of these screws back here. It should just be those 3 little screws. After you get those, just kind of pop this out. And you're just gonna unclip this part right here. Alright, so I'm just getting a closer up view. So pretty much take this out. We're gonna be taking off. We're gonna be pushing on this pin right here. And it looks like this is zip tied in. Alright, so I just went ahead and I got the. Alright, so as y'all can see, we just went ahead and unclipped it right here. Now I just need to disconnect this little part. Looks like it's. Just unclip this as well, just like that. And boom, we got one of them off. Now let's go ahead and install that one. Boom, as y'all can see, we got one of the taillights on. I'm gonna leave it just like that though, because we're not gonna take it. You know, we're gonna take a thumbnail. Alright, so I ended up going ahead and take the wrapper off of this one, but let me give y'all the pleasure to take this one off with me real quick. Ooh, it's like a brand opening. Let's go do that. Take all these off. Bam. Boom, baby. Oh my god, that already looks good. I'm not even gonna do no more. Let me go ahead and connect these wires real quick. I got an extra cable in here that they sent. This little bag right here that's gonna go ahead and connect to this. So let me go ahead and take this off. Alright, went ahead and took those. I got my clips in my pocket. Make sure I don't lose those, because you will need to put those back in the parts. I mean, you can miss a few, but there's no point in doing that. I do have the cable right here. So this yellow one, I mean this green one obviously connects to that little green part, and then there's 2 of them. So this other green one connects to that, and then there's a top one somewhere down here. Oop. And this one goes in the back up here, and I'm gonna show y'all where it goes. All right, as I can see, we got it out now. So here's our third brake light one. So there's 2 ends on obviously the new one that you're about to plug in. So this end plugs into the one that we just took off the brake light, and this one looks very identical to this one. So this is the one that we're going to be plugging into the brake light, and then this is just going to be the adapter. So let me go do that real quick. So that's all connected. Now obviously we got these 2 green parts right here. One green part goes onto this one. So I'm going to show y'all real quick. It goes on just like, it kind of just plugs in. All right, so I got both ends plugged in. that one is there. I'm gonna just go ahead and tuck this down. Tuck this down there real quick. Same thing with this one. Just go ahead and tuck this in. Now, obviously you're gonna have these wires and it's gonna look crazy. I mean, by all means, do whatever you want to do with them. Rewire them how you want to rewire them. I'm probably gonna rewire mine. It's like around here. Loop it around maybe. I'm gonna find a way to do it, but let me just show y'all the taillights real quick. All right, y'all, as y'all can see, we got the taillights going. Really? We got the taillights on. As y'all can see, that's the ambers. So we got our hazards on. Let me take the hazards off real quick so y'all can see. Oh. Gotta peep the interior though. There we go. All gloss blacked out now. They look way better. I do got the black badges to put on, and I got the black smoked out reflectors. So let me go ahead and do both of those real quick. Now let me go ahead and put these screws back in on each side. Of course, y'all know where y'all got them from. So y'all go 1, 2, 3, and do it for each side. All right, y'all. So as y'all can see, we got the smoked out taillights. The 1LE badge is also blacked out, and we got the reflectors. The reflectors is also blacked out. I'm gonna go ahead and put these screws back in, then I'm gonna go to the gas station so y'all can see a better view of what it looks like. All right, y'all, so we just finished it up. Here's what it looks like when it's on. There goes the 1LE badge, the smoked out reflectors. Honestly, it looks good. Let me turn the lights off real quick. Honestly, it looks so much better, bro, in my opinion. Let me show y'all what the hazards look like. Yeah, honestly, bro, I ain't gonna lie. I rate this like a 10 out of 10. Drop in the comments. Let me know what y'all rate this in y'all opinion with the blacked out 1LE badge, smoked out taillights. Let me know y'all opinions in the comments. But yeah, man, this is it.
No matter what you say, what you do,